Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Myntri Rangbah akajala ukonrat ke sangma hakatsan tarik ukala lingkot arhajar arpusan ula Kyrpad ya Seng Hnlc National Liberation Council bahkan wan biang Miej Jingiakren yasuk bat ka sorkar ban pensngau ya kimat kibe kendo Jingiakren. Myntri Rangbah ulaong babanyakren ya Jingiakren don kam ban wan Miej Jingiakren. Habakali bakadaw jong ka Jingweng no ka Hnlc ka Jingiakren yasuk bat ka sorkar kadai baka sorkar kamla ban penulong ya ka Jingdawa jongki kata ban weng no ya baro ke jingmudoi mukat duma persya ya kidukhat ban nong yalam jongga Seng ukan rat ulaong baka sorkar India kampat la ban nong ya kata namar ki hab ban yat kat kum ki kendon an kumta ula Kyrpad ya ka Seng bakan wan Miej Jingiakren bat ka sorkar jela ban penpau ya ka Jingiakren bat ka jingkwa jongki kenang baka sorkar kan yo ban yakren bat ka sorkar India ulaong bamau umla ban shim ya karai nak benta ka sorkar India Hnlc ke Ministry of Home Affairs ke lak ban le ya ke badan kam kat kum ke kerdan jongka.
We are absolutely open. We have mentioned this in many forums. I mention it again today that we invite the organization for talks and we are happy to again facilitate the entire process like we did last time. Yes, things could not move forward. There were some challenges that we faced. But if we want to truly move forward, then we have to overcome those challenges. And the only way to overcome those challenges is to be able to have dialogue and to discuss and find out ways and means. So we urge that, look, there could be challenges, there could be some areas, hurdles that will come up, which is natural in difficult discussions and negotiations like these. But that should not let us down. That should just ensure, in fact, make us more firm to say that we want long-lasting peace. And we want to ensure that all these issues are addressed, and whatever concerns are there from their side, we need to sit down and discuss, and within the constitutional framework, within the discussions with MHA and Government of India and state government and with the organization, we should move forward. So that is what our appeal is. We would want to once again, give the message that that we are ready to discuss, and let us come to the table again to talk. And whatever concerns are there, the best way to resolve those concerns is through dialogue.
One of the reasons that the Hnlc had pointed out when it decided to pull out of the peace talk was the demand for general amnesty. So what do you have to say?
Yeah, so this aspect has been discussed many times. From Government of India point of view, it is mentioned that we cannot announce that right now. You see, because obviously there are certain cases, laws, rules that are there from the past. So obviously we're giving a way forward. We're saying that, look, let's discuss this aspect. Certain heinous crimes are there, which certain laws are in place. For us as a state government to just commit and say that, okay, everything is off. We cannot do it. It has to be from government in India level to discuss this. But even to discuss that, you have to sit down and say that, look, this is so. Before we even sit down, you're asking and saying that give us general amnesty. How do we start the discussion is what I'm saying. So you have this discussion. For the purpose of our discussion, we are assuring that there will be a safe passage. So when we discuss all of this, then all these issues will come up, and then case to case basis things can be taken up. But before the discussion starts, how do we put conditions and tell Government of India to remove this? It's not possible. So bring all this on the table and discuss this, and we will do our best from our side also to put in the case and discuss with Government of India. But it's something that I cannot give the commitment from on behalf of Government of India, because obviously MHA is Government of India Ministry, and it has to be done at that level.